In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 to $1,000 a day, as much as $100,000 in as little as 6 months off of just selling affiliate marketing, guys. Affiliate marketing through ClickBank and running ads, guys. You can make literally 6 figures off of this method each year, copying and pasting and promoting a link, guys. Stay tuned for more. My name is KINGLATTA, this is Black Investors Group, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money online selling affiliate marketing links, guys. Now when I say selling affiliate marketing links, I mean all you have to do is copy and paste a link, guys. You can do this from Amazon, you can do this from ClickBank, you can do this from multiple affiliate websites, guys, but Amazon Associate and ClickBank are the best ones out there. All you have to do is copy and paste a link, and you promote that link via email, web list, via YouTube video, link in description, anywhere you want to. You can do it off of Instagram, you can do it off of TikTok. A lot of TikTok posts are affiliate marketing schemes, okay guys? A lot of Pinterest posts are affiliate marketing schemes. And today I'm going to teach you how to sell ClickBank links on Pinterest ads. So first you want to make your account. You want to make your ClickBank account, obviously. So as you can see, guys, we got the sign up little survey questions right here. So you want to create your ClickBank account. It's a pretty simple process. And as soon as you log in your account, you're going to see the home page right here with all your financial tax information, your reports, all your data from your earnings, your profits. And then what you want to go to is affiliate marketplace, guys, because this is where you're going to get your links. This is where the money comes, okay? Once you go to affiliate market, the financial section, the art section, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, auto, you know what I mean? All these different types of sections. But right here, we're going to go to top offers. And as you can see right here, we got Exapure, which is one of ClickBank's best products. So all you have to do, guys, you can see right here, it says $149 conversion rate, which is outstanding. That means each person you get to buy that product, you will make $149. So imagine if you can get 3-5 sales a day. And as you can see, the reoccurring bill is $31. You can make up to $31 a month if that customer continues to buy that Exapure product. And as you see, we got more products, Protein-X. I hope I said that right. But all you have to do is click the promote link, click the promote button, type in your nickname account, as you can see. And as you can see right here at the bottom, we got the affiliate link. All you have to do is copy that to your clipboard, put it in your notes for safekeepings if you want to use it later. And now, this is where it gets fun. Once you have that affiliate link, guys, you can literally send it to anybody you want to. You can send it all over the place. It's just a URL link, okay? But your name is attached to it, your ClickBank profile is attached to it, and ClickBank can pay you through it. So, what you want to do is you want to go over to Pinterest. You want to create an account. You want to create a business Pinterest account. Type in Pinterest ads and create your account. As you can see, your ads work harder here, 2 times production. You know what I'm saying? So Pinterest is, Pinterest is good because it is not only, an app or, a feed, but it is also a search browser. It is also a web browser, just like Google. So if you type anything in on Google, Pinterest is gonna pop up for suggestions. Keywords that you use on Google, so you wanna say how to fix a motor, you know what I'm saying? If you have motor somewhere in your ad on Pinterest on how to fix, if you have the right keywords, your Pinterest will pop up on that Google search. Your profile will pop up, your product will pop up. So that's why Pinterest is a good site to run your ads from, because Everybody uses Google. Everybody uses Facebook. Your stuff is bound to be seen. So now we're gonna create the campaign, guys. So once you create a campaign, you want to pick which section applies to you. You know what I'm saying? If you want more video views, if you want people to take your product into more consideration, you pick that. For this reason, we're gonna pick consideration. Now you can pick the time, the name, and all that, guys. So for right here, we're just gonna put Exeter. Okay, guys, and as you can see, we are active, is recommended. We're just gonna keep it like that. And then you got the daily budget and lifetime budget. Lifetime budget means your ad will never stop running. It's pretty much on manual mode, so you can control when to turn on and off your ad. And the daily budget is your set daily rate that you want to spend. You want to spend $3 a day on your ad. Okay, you can spend that, and it won't go past that. As you can see, guys, you can create your audience list. You can choose an audience that you want. You know, if you want to be picky on the people that you show your ad to, your demographics, your placement, your age. I advise, since we're selling a weight loss supplement, most people under 18 aren't really trying to buy weight loss supplements. If you're trying to sell a business product, most people under 18 aren't trying to start a business, you know what I'm saying, realistically. So we're trying to keep it over 18. And you want your bidding to be on automatic. Okay, guys, you want your bidding to be on automatic. And then simply, you want to create your pin. Okay, so once you create your pin, all you have to do is you have to find a good picture, something that pops out to you. Find a good picture, post it, save it on your computer and upload it, guys. That's all you have to do. So we're gonna try to find an old affiliate picture that I have here or whatever. And then you're gonna title it. You're gonna write a little description about it. You're gonna write a little description about it. You can select the board that you want to put, guys. You can select the board that you want to put. So say you want to organize your pins more. Say you have like a shoe pin, okay, that's a board. And then say you got pants pins for pants, that's a board. So you know, you can organize it by board. That's what that means. And then pretty much, guys, you wanna publish that thing. And then once you publish it, it's going to take you to a new page for payment. If you're new to running ads on Pinterest, you're gonna have to set up your payment. But that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not gonna explain that. All you gotta do is put in your information for your card. And also right here, guys, make sure that the destination URL is your affiliate link. Okay, that's the most important part. That is the call to action. Make sure anything you do in business has a call to action. You want people to know where they got to go. You know what I'm saying? You have to direct people to where to go. So you want them to click on your link. So make sure you have that destination URL in there, and then once you hit that, you're good, and you'll be seeing a screen that looks something like this. You can see your impressions. Okay, guys, this is my personal account, guys. But yeah, you can see your impressions. And even, all you have to do, if you're not that creative, if you can't create the graphics, the cover art for ad, all you have to do is go on Pinterest and copy what you see that gets your attention. Whatever gets your attention is gonna get somebody else's attention. So all you have to do is type in your niche. So right here, we're gonna go to the weight loss supplement. And you just copy their ideas. You look at their caption, you look at their call to action, how they strategized, I think that's a word, how they ran their thing successfully, because obviously you saw it. So it's successful. So you look at how they laid theirs out, and you kind of, you know, don't copy it word for word, but you take this from them, then you take that from those, and then you make yours. You know what I'm saying? You can literally make $100 to $1,000 a day off of this scheme, guys. I suggest putting in a lot of money on ads. Okay, it's gonna take a lot of money for your ads to get out there, for people to see your ads, for Google to push your ads, for Pinterest to push your ads. So putting a $3 budget a day, it's not gonna make you that $100 a day. You're gonna have to put in, you know, $20 to $50 a day, but that takes time. You know what I'm saying? Once you get to that point where one person buys your product, now you have $100 profit from just one person clicking on your ad, and now you can buy $100 worth of ads. Okay, so whatever you make, you just pour it back into ads, and then the amount of money that you're making, because it's not a hard business. You're not spending money on a product. All you're doing is spending your time promoting. Okay, guys, so your product is the ad. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, man. Please subscribe to Black Investors Group, and we're gonna go up, man. And I'm gonna give y'all more tips on financial daily tips on how to make money the easy way, man, because that's all we do over here. I hope you guys take into consideration of what I said on this video about finding the right clickbait links. Okay, guys, you want to find the right clickbait links for you. You want to have your mailing list set out. You want to run your ads correctly, and you don't want to be cheap on your ads. Whatever you get profit from a ClickBank sale, an Amazon associate sale, you want to pour it back into your ads. So now you can get 3 sales off of, you know, that $100 that you put in your ads. Now that's, you know, anywhere from $300 to $1,000 profit. Okay, guys? So, you know, it's not a get rich quick scheme, and you definitely have to put in some money to make some money. But the beauty about affiliate marketing is all you have to do is pay for the marketing. You know what I'm saying? All you have to do is pay the ads to get your links out there, because people aren't just gonna come across a link that's saved in your notes, guys. So also, affiliate marketing is the #1 passive income stream that you can make, guys, because say you post one ad, say you post a TikTok, it's gonna keep circulating. Say you post a video on YouTube, you don't even have to have any subscribers. People are gonna see it. That video is gonna keep circulating for years and years and years and years, and people will see that link and they will click on the link and buy that product, and you can make passive income off of a link that you posted years and years ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is KINGLATTA, this is Black Investors Group. Y'all stay tuned for more.